The new Mercedes-Benz GLC Premium Family SUV is now revealed in full ahead of UK deliveries beginning later in 2022. Prices will be announced soon and are anticipated to begin at about £50,000. The 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLC, which has grown to be the brand's most well-known automobile globally, will be replaced by the new model. The 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC is a very important car for the company. Huge work has been put into creating the new model, which will compete with the Audi Q5, BMW X3, and Volvo XC60. Even better and more enticing to customers after the exciting model has sold more than 2.3 million units. The new Mercedes-Benz GLC may initially appear to be visually similar, but as people start seeing them on UK roads, the detailed differences will become obvious. Additionally, the interior has undergone a complete overhaul with a focus on digital innovation that provides Mercedes-Benz GLC clients with the very best infotainment technology. Price and release date of the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC SUV. The new Mercedes-Benz GLC will cost a little more than the existing model. The price range is anticipated to start about £50,000. This is a result of the new GLC having more standard features than the previous model. The Mercedes-Benz will begin taking orders this fall, and the first deliveries should happen before the year is over. The complete lineup will go on sale in early 2023, and other derivatives, such as high-performance Mercedes-AMG GLC models, will appear later. With increased standard features like large format infotainment displays, heated front seats, wireless smartphone charging, and an electronic tailgate, the Mercedes-Benz GLC Avant-Garde grade will launch the lineup. The Mercedes-Benz AMG line sports a sportier appearance and additional external body color accents. Styling, interior, and technology of the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC SUV. The new Mercedes-Benz GLC maintains the same exterior styling as the outgoing model. It doesn't make sense to drastically alter things when a model is well liked globally, which is why the evolutionary method was used. However, there are subtle variances. The Mercedes-Benz GLC's body surfaces are smoother than ever, with sharper and more defined creases around the rear wheel arches. The LED headlights now integrate into the front grille, giving the vehicle a larger, more rooted appearance on the road. While the slimline LED tail lamps are more upscale, the aerodynamic drag factor CD has decreased from 0.31 to 0.29, which has helped to decrease the amount of fuel used on highways. The new Mercedes-Benz GLC is 60mm larger overall than the previous model, coming in at 4,716mm, while the overall height has decreased by 4mm to 1,640mm. The breadth has remained the same at 1,890mm. If your garage space is limited, the sleek new door mirrors mean the width including them has decreased by a helpful 21mm to 2,075mm. The new Mercedes-Benz GLC has undergone interior changes. The top of the main dashboard is lined with recognizable 5-round air vents and has a flowing, wing-like design. There are now 2 high-resolution screens underneath, a large format 12.3-inch central infotainment panel, and an 11.9-inch driver display. The most recent MBUX infotainment system, which includes the Hey Mercedes voice assistant, is used in the Mercedes-Benz GLC. The graphics are extremely bright and detailed, and it now operates more quickly than before. Usability has been improved, making it simple and easy to use. Standard features include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the MBUX Smart Home function gives users access to services like Amazon Alexa. While the Mercedes-Benz GLC comes standard with LED headlights, the optional digital light not only provides even more vivid illumination but also has the ability to project road markings and cautionary signs onto the surface. When driving slowly, the transparent bonnet option, which is great for off-roading but also incredibly helpful when parking in confined areas, employs external cameras to display what is beneath the front wheels. The new Mercedes-Benz GLC offers similar comfort and spaciousness for up to 5 passengers as the outgoing model. The headroom in the back also has increased, and there is additional rear elbow room. The 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC has improved in terms of roominess, especially in the cargo space. One of the largest luggage capacities in the industry, it has increased by a full 70 liters to 620 liters. Although the 470-liter boot of the plug-in hybrids is smaller than before, it is still up to 70 liters. When the seats are folded, Mercedes-Benz has created space underneath the boot floor to store the roller-blind load cover. Engines, performance, and mileage of the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC SUV. Both 48V mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid engines are now offered in the new Mercedes-Benz GLC's powertrain lineup. All engines have 4MATIC all-wheel drive, a standard 9-speed 9G Trionic automatic gearbox, and 4 cylinders. The Mercedes-Benz GLC 220D 4MATIC will be the best-selling engine in the UK. With a 197 PS output, this 2.0-liter diesel engine can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 8.0 seconds. It can go up to 54.3 mpg on average and emits 136 grams per kilometer of CO2. The same engine is given a 269 PS boost for the Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC, which accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds. However, fuel efficiency is still strong, averaging 50.3 mpg and emitting 146 grams per kilometer of CO2. Additionally, there are 2 petrol mild hybrid turbo engines. The 2.0-liter 4-cylinder Mercedes-Benz GLC 200 4MATIC has 204 PS, can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 7.8 seconds, and gets 38.6 mpg on average. The Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC produces 258 PS, accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds, and matches the GLC 200 4MATIC in terms of fuel efficiency and CO2 emissions at 167 grams per kilometer. 3 plug-in hybrids are available. The same 2.0-liter gasoline engine is combined with an electric motor and 31.2 kWh battery in the Mercedes-Benz GLC 300e 4MATIC. It helps achieve CO2 emissions of just 12 grams per kilometer, thanks to its amazing pure electric range of up to 80 miles. With 313 PS overall power though, performance is quick as well, requiring 6.7 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour. Due to its 381 PS of total power, the Mercedes-Benz GLC 400e is even faster, reaching 62 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds. Emissions of CO2 are still only 12 grams per kilometer. The Mercedes-Benz GLC 300DE diesel is even better in terms of CO2 emissions. It only emits 10 grams per kilometer, yet its 335 PS allows it to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.4 seconds. The nearly 80-mile pure electric range is still amazing. The Mercedes-Benz claims that the diesel engine's better fuel efficiency will result in a longer overall range when the battery is low. New amplitude-dependent dampers are used in the Mercedes-Benz GLC for improved ride and handling over a wider range of road surfaces. However, it is not anticipated that the optional Airmatic air suspension, which allows for changeable ride heights, would be available in the UK. Rear axle steering will be an option on the 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC though. Cutting almost a meter off the overall turning width drastically reduces the turning circle. A Mercedes-Benz GLC with rear axle steering actually has a smaller turning radius than a Ford Fiesta, which is 10.9 meters. So, which part of the video about the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC SUV everything you need to know caught your attention? Would you add this model to your list of desired models? Please let me know by leaving a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video. Bye!